My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Siacoin, the latest update and latest news, friends. Before starting this interesting video, I request all of you, especially for my viewers who's holding Siacoin, so please click the subscribe button and like this video, because on this channel I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies which is important for all of you. That is why I'm telling you to subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. Anyways, my friends, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. The current price of the Siacoin in the market, the latest price update as 0.027795 USD dollar is the current price of the Siacoin. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Siacoin, so absolutely in the last 1 hour the price change is going negative, but I hope with the passage of time the price changes occur in the Siacoin is start again positive, friends. Only the last one day price change as positive, except of the last 1 day, the last 1 hour and the last 1 week price change is negative, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the Siacoin for more details and for better understanding, friends. As you can see here, if we look for a later time, the price change occur in the Siacoin, the previous time changes, so absolutely the previous time changes occur in the Siacoin as going negative, friends. But now at this time I'm really happy to see the price changes occur in the Siacoin in the last 1 day, because at this time the price is going upward, friends. And now at this time they are also in the jumping mood, so I hope that they continue this jump for a long time, friends. And I think on the basis of technical analysis I'm telling you that this is just the beginning of jump, the big pump of the Siacoin are coming soon. That's why I'm telling you that please don't decide to sell Siacoin at this time. It's time to hold Siacoin, friends. Anyways, if you look the price changes occur in Siacoin, the latest in the last 1 day, so positive 2.91% price changes occur in the Siacoin in the 24 hours. And the highest price of the Siacoin is 0.028156 USD dollar is the highest price of the Siacoin in the last 24 hours, friends. So how do you feel about Siacoin today? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly please don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.